On 19 September 2025, at around 5:50 p.m., a vehicle-based column of troops of 33 Assam Rifles unit was moving on National Highway 2 during hours of darkness in heavy built-up area. In general area, Nambol Sabal Lekai, the column was ambushed by unidentified terrorists on the highway in the denotified area of Manipur. In the ensuing action, 2 personnel of Assam Rifles were martyred and 5 are injured who have since been evacuated to RIMS and are currently stable. As of now, no group has claimed responsibility. Search operations are ongoing to eliminate the terrorists involved in the incident.